Arican, new generation lava stone shawarma machines. More juicy and soft cooking. The burner unit is a patented system by Arican grills. Shawarma cooking unit is mobile. The outer surface can be made of copper plating or stainless steel. Heated tray system in the form of a Bain-marie. Bottom motorized tray, 1 turn per minute. Fire direction sheet. Keep the shawarma warm with steam. 200 kilograms shawarma cooking capacity. Fire bricks were used inside. Arican, new generation lava stone shawarma machines.
Arican grills, cooking systems with lava stones.